Hello everyone, we're back with more Dark Souls. So this is hopefully going to be a short video. I say hopefully, because we're doing something that I didn't do, and I had to come back here for a bunch of other reasons. I need to get the Father Mask, and I think I'm just going to farm for it, because I don't know when Patches gives it to you, but I need to go back to the Undead Asylum one last time, because I have the last few items to trade to Snuggly, which we're not going to do on camera. But I thought I'd capture this cutscene in glorious whatever resolution YouTube compresses this to. I thought I'd record myself killing the Taurus demon, or trying to. And again, we'll do 3 attempts, and if we fuck up each time, then, you know, I'll just do it off camera. That's the rule. There he is. Okay. So, as far as I know, you can, in fact, do a plunging attack on this thing. I don't know if you can do it when the floor first collapses, though, so we may actually have to die once to accomplish that. I don't actually know. I've never tried that, or if I have, I've forgotten. So, what we're going to do is shizzity save over here. Bada bing, bada boom. And do our best at this boss. This boss always fucks with me. I've put it off, I think, until now because I kind of hate this boss. I think the AoE butt stomp attack it does is fucking ridiculous. So, here goes. Okay, it doesn't even let you do that the first time. Okay. Oh, and then that guy comes down. He's gonna have fun. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Join the party. Oh man, they weren't up for the party. Oh no, there they are. You guys not take damage from this thing? That's kind of ridiculous. Okay. Yeah, that attack fucking sucks. I mean, all its attacks suck. Fucking hell, I might be able to just tank this actually, because I've stacked enough endurance. Or not. Alright, well, let's test the plunging attack theory. Am I fucking mid-rolling or not? Maybe that's part of it. I was trying to get the fuck out of the way and it wasn't working. Am I mid-rolling right now? Oh, that's nice. Waste an Estus. Yeah, I am. What the fuck? Oh, maybe that's why. That's a stupid ring anyway. Magic defense? Maybe that would work. I don't know what it qualifies the attacks as. I'm still mid-rolling, Jesus. This is why we're stacking endurance, because I don't want to wear the FAP ring yet. Okay, let's kill these idiots first so they don't distract us here. Come on, bro. Alright, that's better. Okay. Yeah, and it takes off a chunk of your health off the bat. That is such horse shit. Okay, he seems to be attacking the wall. You're not a fan of pillars, are you, my friend? Yeah, like, look at the range on that thing, man. That one attack. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's not the butt stomp, it's that magic hammer attack that fucks you up. Oh! Got greedy there. Whoa! Alright, let's run the fuck away for a second. It's like the only 2 safe places I think are either end of this, and they're not even safe all the time with this fucker. Jesus fucking Christ, that attack, man. It staggers you so much, then he just does another attack and hits you and kills you. It's like impossible to get close enough to the motherfucker. Right up the ass. Come on, take it. Oh! The sound of pure elation. Oh, I tightened the slab. They should have put more cool shit in this room. Oh, maybe there is some Cool stuff up here. Probably not, though. We've done everything else here except trade snugly, so yeah, it's a pretty short video, but I hope you appreciate some aspect of it. Is that poor guy still down here? No, he's dead. Thankfully, he's at rest. Alright, so there's not really much else I planned on doing in this video. It's kind of going to be a short one, I think, but I don't know, I guess we could do some snugly trades. I don't know. I don't want to subject you guys to that. I was actually kind of hoping I'd die like 4 times to that thing like an idiot, and then you'd get to see more content. Okay. I just want to kind of go back and rest, to be honest. I'm so tired. Alright, well, at that, we are going to end the very short video, whatever number this is, 6 or 7, I think. Thank you again for paying attention to the video, and as always, peace out.